peeps, welcome back to another video. So we are out here in the capital of Pennsylvania today. We're in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and this is actually the state capital. A lot of people think it's Philadelphia or even Pittsburgh, but it's actually this city here called Harrisburg. Harrisburg has a Capitol building similar to the one in Washington DC, and the architecture is based off of some buildings in Europe, so it's pretty impressive, and it's in the center of the city. We're gonna bring you with us to check out the state capitol here in Harrisburg, and we are going to get a tour actually. So they do run free tours every half an hour on weekdays, so we're gonna check out the interior of the building, see what it's like. I'm here with Sweet Pea today, so stay with us guys as we check out the city of Harrisburg. We'll show you what it's like inside the building and we'll see what's up. Let's go. Alright peeps, so the first thing to know is there's parking here in Harrisburg in the city, and the parking is $4 per hour, as you can see right here. I just paid for parking and $12 for 3 hours. Keep that in mind if you do come to check out the Capitol. And here it is peeps, this is the Capitol building here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So the Capitol building is located right across the road from the State Museum of Pennsylvania, as you can see over there. So I finally made my way to the entrance because it's not very accessible, and I do have my daughter's stroller with me. I had to lug it up a few steps, but looks like I made it. Hopefully there is a ramp to get up into the building, we'll see. But so far, not very accessible here at the State Capitol building in Pennsylvania. So guys, this is what the perimeter of the building looks like. Very unique architecture, as you can see. A lot of government vehicles and government employees. So I'm not entirely sure guys if this is the front or the back. I believe this is the back of the Capitol building, and the landscaping here is on point. Very unique, very well maintained. We still haven't gone inside the building as yet. I did speak to one US citizen just now, and they were telling me how beautiful inside of the property is. So I'm just going around the perimeter first just to show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll head inside and see. But check this out guys, really beautiful. So I'm visiting here on a nice sunny Tuesday evening in June, in the middle of summer. So it's like 90 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's quite hot here. Check it out, guys. I think this is the front, and where we entered from would be the back. So you can see the dome shape, and the sculpture at the top looks like it's gold. And they have this water fountain down at the bottom here. And it does appear there is an accessible entrance. So it looks like at the back there isn't, but at the front there is. I can see the sign over here. So let's head inside, guys, and see what it's like in there. Hopefully they'll let me film. I'm not 100% sure, and I am in the US, so you know how that goes.
Alright peeps, we're heading back to the front rotunda, and we're almost completed our tour here at the Pennsylvania State Capitol.
that's pretty much it for our tour here at the state capitol in Pennsylvania. And you can see the Capitol building right behind me. This is where the Pennsylvania government meets and makes decisions for the state. They have the Senate in there, and they also have the House of Representatives. I wasn't able to film inside the Senate. I wasn't able to film inside the House of Representatives. I, however, was allowed to film the other areas, and we did do a full tour of those areas, and it was a great tour. It happens every half an hour between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, and then every 2 hours on weekends and public holidays. So keep that in mind if you do come here. It is a great experience to check out how the government works here in Pennsylvania. The building itself is pristine. They have gold marble from all over the world inside there. The rotunda is amazing. I definitely recommend coming here. It is free for the tours, and it is free to get in. You can watch a sitting of Parliament in here as well. Definitely check it out, and we're gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think about the interior of this beautiful building built ages ago here in Pennsylvania, in Harrisburg. I wouldn't have expected this to be here in Harrisburg, but it is. Obviously, Harrisburg is the capital of the state of Pennsylvania. We will see you in the next video. Take care and peace out from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.